spell horse? Shall we? Horse. Spell horse. Horse. It's okay. Horse. How do you spell horse? Horse. Good job, Shao. Good job. Okay, I want you to spell house. House. Spell house. House. Alright, Shao. Good job. Spell train. Train. Good job, Shao. How about cat? Cat. Shao, cat. Cat. Here. Here. Do it again. Cat. Cat. Good job, Shao. Do you know how to spell bird? Bird. That's right. Bird. That's right. Bird. Good job, Shao. Do you know how to spell mad? Mad. Mad. That's mom. That's mom, Shao. Mom. That's mom. Oh, what's that? Do you know how to spell your name? Hmm? Do you know what? Do you know Shao? How to spell Shao? Well, that's not Shao.